YouTube. Welcome back, guys, and then happy Monday. Anyway, let me give you guys a story real quick about we got the massive, huge copying from Pakistan. This is from the Desert Premium Outlet Store nearby or next to Capazon Outlet. Anyway, so I'm not sure if any of the viewers or subscribers out there knows Pakistan is shutting down their store at this outlet store. So when we walk in there, and then it says store closing. So most of the items were kind of gone already, and we walk toward the back where all the shoes at, and then we saw a whole bunch of VANS and a couple of the Janoski Nike and some other brand shoes, but and we saw one of the, well, actually a couple of the Converse shoes too. So anyway, they were having like a 70% off for the entire store. Anything you buy in there, it was 70% off. So we figured that's an awesome deal, and so we were just looking into what we could cop and find. So while we were checking out these shoes and then gather everything already, and then one of the employees was kind of going through the stack, and we had to tell him we are buying all those. So the employee, the guy was saying, damn, a big baller, huh? So anyway, let's go ahead and then get this unboxed or show you guys what we got. All right. So somehow it comes with this yellow receipt. So that means I guess everything is all sales are final. So we got one of the jeans. As you can see, original retail price is $54.94, and then after 70% off is $16.48. And then there's a classic slip-on for the VANS shoes, $55. After 70% off is $16.50. Okay. So there's some of these are similar slip-on, and we got one of the old school. Original retail price is $60, and we end up paying for $18. And we got a couple of the different colorway checkerboard for $15 each. And there's one of the Converse for $60 retail. We got it for only $18. So the total damage is about $206.86. So let's go ahead and then get this and show you guys real quick. Some of them are just a similar style number, also the same shoes, except different sizes. So let's go ahead and start it. So we got one pair of this. This is the classic black and white. This is size 10. So this one is a slip-on checkerboard, okay? Sometimes wear size 9.5 to 10, so this will fit me. You got the waffle cone or waffle on the outsole. So we got 3 pairs of this. One of them is size 10. And then the other 2 are size 11. So this comes with the sticker, VANS off the wall hang tag or the sticker. And I guess this one is a display. This one is old school, white, black, size 8. This one is like a sway in the front right here. And around the eye stay right here, a sway. Tongue is a canvas material, okay? You got the checkerboard with that VANS lining, and then on the back of the heel cup is suede, and says VANS off the wall. And here is the size label right here. Got the waffle also again. So as you can see, it is from the display. It says old schools, $60, and then 1143 checkerboard, whatever you say it. So we got one pair of this Converse. And it says Converse. This one is size 9, unisex. This is a high top, and that's the model number right there, or the style number, All Star. Optical white. Retail $60. We got it for $18. So when I put this on, it looks pretty nice. You got the Converse All Stars And you got the Converse All Stars. It's Chuck Taylor. Got this two rivet for the ventilation. I mean, come on, $18. How you can't even go wrong with this. If I go to like a Ross or TJ Maxx, at least $35 still, or even $40. So this is a good grab, okay? And the toe box, this is rubber, and this is on canvas. Next one will be this VANS. This is authentic peach. We got four pairs of this same colorway. This one is a newer. Oh, what? Maybe it is in the wrong box. So this one is not a peach colorway, but almost like a greenish with the off-white or cream color. And this is size 10. And you got the waffle again on the outsole. So I'm not sure if that's peach color. And anyway, this one, the second item that we got is checkerboard. Same thing. This one is authentic pink and white color. This is size 11. So maybe that one's in the same box, peach color or something. This one is the pink and I don't know why it says white. It's kind of like a cream white or off-white with the pink. As you can see on the midsole, it is white. Compared to this is like a creamy color within the checkerboard. So we got three pairs of the one with the pink and then white color. We got size 11 for the pink and white, and then size 11 again. And this one is size 9. And then I don't know what they call it, peach, but it's like a greenish color earlier. I don't know why they call this peach color. So this one is size 10.5. We have 4 pair of this. Size 10. And then 10.5 again. So let's move on to the last one, the last piece that we got from Pakistan. This is the rib jean. Okay. What the? Got a big rib jeans right there. 2 big holes. What? My son got this anyway. So this is a crop jean, okay? So my wife might say this is like a PP long stocking jean or something. So this one original retail price is $54.94, something like that. I showed you got a receipt earlier. This one is a size 29 by 30. As you can see, you got a couple of rib over there. You got a big hole right here by the knee. And you got a couple of ribs again. And this is like a rib right here. Like a poor man's jean. What the heck? But anyway, I was glad that we only got this for less than $17. So you got a rivet right here for the pockets, and this is a zip up with the button right here. Zip up fly. And you got the right hand side pocket right here with the rivets, and then a coin pocket right here. So you got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the bell loop. So this is a skinniest jean. And on the back, you got the left and right hand pockets. And there are no rips on the back of the jean. And this is made in Vietnam. Pakistan, established in 1989. It's 89, right? So this is a 68% cotton, 30% polyester, 2% spandex. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like what we caught. And please share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop in the comments on below. And then see if this is an awesome deal or not. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. And then like always, peace out, guys.